A young man from Pakistan went to America. Slowly, he became lost in the lifestyle there. In his office, there was a Christian girl. They developed a relationship, and he decided that he wanted to marry her. The girl said, "I will consult my parents." Her parents were strict Christians and did not like Muslims at all. However, they could not completely reject their daughter's wish. So they said, "If this young man fulfills our conditions, we will agree to the marriage." They set such strange conditions that they were sure he would not be able to fulfill them. The first condition was that after marriage, the young man would leave his current place and buy a house near their home and live there. The young man accepted this condition. The second condition was that he would completely cut off all his friends. No phone calls, no meetings. Instead, he would make friends only from their community and keep relations with them. He accepted this condition too. The third condition was that he would permanently cut off contact with his own parents. He accepted this condition as well. The fourth condition was that he would never return to his own country and would live there forever. He accepted this too. The fifth and strangest condition was that since they go to church every Sunday, he would also go with them to the church every Sunday. He accepted this condition as well. He became so blind in love that he gave up everything. He disappeared from the place where he used to live. His office colleagues did not know where he went. His friends did not know either. People searched for him for 1 month, then 2 months, but there was no information. America is such a big country that if someone wants to disappear, it is very easy. People remembered him for about a year, and then slowly, he faded from their memories. Nearly 3 years passed like this. One day, an imam came to the mosque for the Fajr prayer. He saw that the same young man had come and was making wudu ablution. The imam was very surprised. He thought, where did this man come from? The imam was wise. He led the prayer, then took the young man into a room, and said, "We had a strong connection before. We have been apart for so long. Come, have a cup of tea or coffee." Then the imam asked, "What happened to you?" The young man told him the whole story. He said, "In love with that girl, I left everything. The marriage took place, and I started living with her. There was no visible sign of Islam left in my life, except one thing. Among my books, there was one Quran." He said, "Every morning, when I got ready to go to the office, my eyes would fall on the Quran. Seeing it reminded me of Allah. I would say to myself, 'You have followed your desires. You are a sinner, but look, the true word of Allah is still present in your house.' This small thought remained in my heart." He continued, "One day, I came home and saw that the book was not there. I asked my wife, 'There was a book here. Where is it?' She said, 'Today I cleaned the house. The book, which neither you read nor I read, I threw it into the trash.'" He said, "As soon as I heard this, I immediately went outside to the trash area. I searched for the Quran, kissed it, placed it on my eyes, and held it to my chest. She was watching me from the window, wondering what I was doing. When I came back home, she said, 'What kind of crazy behavior is this?' I replied, 'This is the Quran of my Allah, and it will always remain in my house.' She said, 'So those germs are still inside you.' Then the girl picked up her briefcase and went to her parents to tell them everything. And I put on my shoes and came to the mosque to seek forgiveness from my Lord. His connection with the Quran was very weak. Yet even this small bond of love became the reason for his faith to be saved.